If, like me, you use SAS Viya every day, the chances are that it's buried somewhere in a browser tab next to a million others. You lose it, you reload it, and it logs you out and again, even if you didn't mean to do it. What if I told you that SAS Viya doesn't have to live in your browser at all? In this video, I'll show you how to turn SAS Viya into a desktop app in literally a few clicks, so it launches like any other application and stays exactly where you want it. I'm Clark, and after 20 years working with SAS across data science, engineering and platform migrations, and I've presented around the world about SAS programming. I've seen how you can hack your day-to-day SAS life, and I'm sharing with you today. Let's get into the video. So here we are inside SAS Studio in SAS Viya. We're in Microsoft Edge browser. Definitely works better than other browsers that are out there. So I recommend you using Edge. So here we are in Edge. You can go across to the URL bar, and on the right hand side there should be this app available, installed SAS. So if you click on that, you're prompted for a couple of different menus and click install. And then you have the option to pin it to your taskbar or pin it to the start menu. You can create desktop shortcut, those sorts of things. So click allow. As you can see now, that SAS Studio has been kind of separated from the browser tabs in Edge, and it's got its own instance. It's got its own instance on the start menu at the bottom, and so it is there. You can tab to it should you wish when you're kind of changing programs. So here we are, and it's the same, exactly the same UI as if it's kind of like a kind of a virtual way into the browser for the URL for SAS Studio. That's fantastic. So you can do it that way. When you don't have SAS open already, it will be on your ribbon on your start menu at the bottom. So you just click the icon and it automatically will log you in like that. And it's a really great way of making sure that you don't lose what you've got, and also it helps you to remember that you've got SAS Viya open. So that's it. Just in a few clicks, SAS Viya goes from a browser tab to a desktop application in a proper usable way. It's a small change, but if you use SAS Viya every day, it makes a huge difference to your workflow. If this helped, please give the video a like. It really helps the channel. And if you're working with SAS, Analytics or Viya on a day-to-day basis, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Want to take this even further? Tap the video right here to learn the next SAS secret and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I'm Clark, thanks for watching CoderClark, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.